But heck, let's talk about a phone that is actually right here, right now. Oppo has unveiled the Find X3 Pro, which sports a Snapdragon 888, a 6.7-inch 120Hz display, 12 gigabytes of RAM, a 50-megapixel ultrawide camera, and a 3-megapixel microlens for taking microscope-style macro shots. That's new, quoting 9to5 Google. A 4,500 milliamp hour battery is included with Oppo's signature Super VOOC charging, offering 65-watt charging speeds. Unlike the Find X2 Pro, though, wireless charging is included at 30-watt speeds. Other hardware notables include an IP68 rating, NFC, plus stereo speakers. Oppo's design language with the Find X3 Pro is an odd mesh of existing smartphone hardware tropes with a single piece of shaped glass fitting over a quad camera setup that is reminiscent of the iPhone camera bump. Oppo also unveiled the standard X3 Neo and X3 Lite alongside the Find X3 Pro. These two devices are offering much of the same experience but at a lower entry price point. The entire Oppo Find X series will go on sale from April 14th, 2021. The Find X3 Pro starts at £1,099 in the UK and is available in gloss black and blue. The Find X3 Neo will start at £699 and is available in starlight black and galactic silver. And finally, the Find X3 Lite will be priced at £379 and comes in astral blue, starry black, and galactic silver, end quote.